Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mariam, and I am back with another simple recipe. Today, I share with you how to make soy milk from scratch. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is my soya beans and it's 4 cups. Next, we will need a bowl of cold water, and then we try to see if there are stones in our soya beans, and this is an African way of getting rid of stones from grains and cereal. In case you are very sure that there are no stones in your beans, please don't go through this process. Okay, just go ahead, wash your beans, and then you soak it. I got just a stone. So now I'll go ahead and wash my soya beans. Wash as many as you can, okay? After that, I'll drain the water out. Then I add water to the soya beans again. This time around, I'm going to soak my beans overnight. So I'll cover it and allow it to rest till the next day. Hello, there is the next day. Now I add water to the soaked beans and then I give it a rinse. Then I go ahead and drain the water out. I add more water to it and then we rinse it again. After that, I'll drain the water out. Now it's time to blend our soya beans. It's very important you soak your beans overnight. It makes the soya beans very soft and easy to blend. That way you don't put too much pressure on your blender. So even if your blender is not that strong, at this point it can blend the beans, okay, because it's very soft. So here I add water to it, cover my blender, and then I'll go and blend this on high speed till smooth. I transfer my blended soya beans into a bowl, and that is my first batch, and this is the second batch. I did that off camera. I rinse my blender, I add the water to it. Now it's time to strain our blended soya beans to get milk out of it, okay? And I'm using a chiffon cloth. You can also use cheesecloth, okay, to do the straining. Here I transfer my milk into a cooking pot, and then I try to scoop out these foamy things on the surface. We don't need that. After that, I'll bring my milk to heat. We are going to cook this on medium heat, and also you don't need to stir your milk continuously, but you have to be very watchful, because as soon as the milk starts to boil, it can boil over. Now I'll take a rest and then allow it to cook still on medium heat. Now I come in and then I stir again. Don't mind this thin film on the surface. You can decide to be removing it or you ignore it. At the end, we will get that out, so don't stress yourself too much on that. This has been on fire for about 20 minutes, so I will lower my heat and then allow it to simmer for additional 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes already and our milk is ready. Now I will cover this with a clean napkin and allow it to rest till it cools down completely. Now it has cooled down completely. Take a spoon and gently take out this thin film on the surface. As simple as that. So we are going to strain our milk for the last time, and I'm using this strainer here. You can also use a cheesecloth or chiffon cloth to do the straining, but this strainer has a very tiny hose, almost like that of chiffon cloth. Better still, you can use your cheesecloth or chiffon cloth instead of using a strainer, okay? Now we are going to do some small mixing here. Here I add 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is totally optional. And also 1 tablespoon of strawberry flavor. That one too is totally optional, okay? And better still, you can use date syrup to sweeten your milk, or you add the date fruit to the soya beans, blend all together before you bring it to heat. All right, very creamy and refreshing, almost like yogurt. I love it, and I hope your family too will love it. Try to make this for your family, especially for your kids, and they will definitely love it. Enough is enough. Stop buying this from outside. It's very easy to make at home, and you saw it yourself. Now I transfer my milk into my jar. One thing you should know about this milk is that if you don't have any intention to clear everything within the day, then you got to store it in your freezer. I repeat, if you don't have any intention to clear everything within the day, then store it in your freezer, else it will go bad the next day. Even in your fridge, it will still go bad. So store it in your freezer. Cheers to goodness. Hope you're going to try your hands on it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Ekoyi, the milk is given. Bye.